For this project, we'll be using pastels to create a solar eclipse. What is a solar eclipse? A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes in front of the sun, blocking it out for a short period of time, causing darkness during the day. For this project, you'll need a black sheet of paper, a white sheet of paper with something circular to trace, a paper towel, some pastels, a pencil, a scissors, and a piece of tape. Start by tracing a circle on the white sheet of paper with your pencil. Then take your scissors and carefully cut it out. Next, we're going to make a small piece of tape into a loop and tape the circle in the middle of our black sheet of paper. Next, we're going to use our pastels and color in the background. I chose about 3 colors and colored it in lightly using the side of the pastel until all the black area was filled in. Now take your paper towel and use it to blend your colors in and soften them lightly. Next, take a white piece of chalk and color a dark, thick white line around your circle on the black paper. Now take your paper towel and find a clean side. Wrap it around your finger and use your finger in the paper towel to spread the white chalk outward. This is the glow coming from the sun behind the moon. Now carefully remove your circle and the piece of tape.